This is the Cedars Park Nature Centre today, February 2019. Originally, in 2014, Vision for Growth was donated a plot of land, and we created a small sensory garden inside what was then known as the Pets Corner of Cedars Park. We had donations from B3 Living, Herts County Council, Broxbourne Council, and also kindly Sainsbury's Homebase. Over the years, and from the years 2015-16, a new project was to be set up, and this would form part of what we are looking at today. Exotic animals such as meerkats, skunks, owls, parakeets, scorpions, and all sorts of animals now are in what was then termed the Pets Corner. I'm sure King James I would be right royal proud of it all.
Stop.